Hey everybody, Chef Jacob here. I want to walk us through some of our Wigwam specials this weekend, especially this fish dish I'm very, very excited about. So, the nice 8-ounce piece of halibut that I have oiled and salted. Let's get that cooking while we do the rest of the stuff. Rocking. A nice fish press. Well, that's working hard. You know what? Let's do this a little different today. Let's do them both at the same time. How about that? Let's treat this like a real kitchen. We never get to just cook one thing at a time, right? All right, cool, so let's get it. So, now that our halibut is working hard, we're gonna start our cashew e pepe. So, large saute pan. Olive oil. That's gonna start heating up, and I'm gonna start cooking the bucatini. All right, pan's heating up. Nice portion of bucatini. Simultaneously, we're going to cook this wonderful chanterelle mushrooms and some fine diced cabbage together. Now the pasta's in, working hard. It says 6-minute timer for al dente. I want a lot of color on that cabbage. The nice thing is as all that liquid works out of the cabbage, it's going inside the mushrooms. So both of the cabbage and the mushrooms both have a lot of liquid inside. And that's why we can cook it hard and fast, because as that liquid releases, we can get it caramelized, and they actually kind of hydrate each other, if that makes sense. So the veg actually ends up tasting really cool. Quality mushrooms and cabbage together is a really nice combo in that regard. Great, this is wonderful. I'm gonna leave that over here so it can cool off. So we're gonna re-add that later. Now in the same pan, we're gonna heat up our cashew e pepe sauce. So, fun little play on words, nothing too crazy, but so I love cashew e pepe. The flavor profile is wonderful. In this sauce, I made to be a finished sauce that has all of the flavors of cashew e pepe, except I thickened it with boiled cashews instead of a wild amount of cheese. But it still has the Cherry black peppercorns, shallot, butter, cream. But what's nice about this is a finished sauce. The salt, the viscosity, it's all here. So all we're gonna do is let this gently warm. Heat on low, life is good. Bucatini has 2.5 minutes left. Al dente. Thought. All right. This is why we took this. I'm going to reserve half for a garnish, half to be mixed in. Nice twirl. Garnish. Extra chanterelle. Now, since we have cashews inside the sauce, we'll garnish with a little bit of toasted, salted, and ground cashews. Parmigiano. There you have it. We have a bucatini cashew e pepe with chanterelle mushrooms, parmigiano, cabbage, and chives.